Good morning, teachers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And before we start our tutorial this morning, I'd like to say thank you so much to all my subscribers and my ESL teacher supporters. So today we'll have a very important tutorial. This is about how to ace your application in Acadsoc. But before we start, if you're new in my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated with my latest uploads regarding my journey in Acadsoc. All right, let's start the tutorial. So first, for you to ace your application in Acadsoc, after you apply in Acadsoc through Facebook. By the way, if you want to apply in Acadsoc, you have to directly send them a message on their official Facebook page, and the link of their FB page is under the description of this video. Okay, so you will be assisted in how to proceed with the application. So after you apply through Facebook, here are the things you need to to go through for you to be able to teach finally in Acadsoc. So first, number one is pass the interview and a final demo. So this will be via Skype. If you want to have a glimpse of my actual interview and demo in Acadsoc, you can check it out under the description of this video. I do have the link of that wherein I passed, and you'll get some ideas on how to answer interview questions and how to conduct your demo. Second, after you pass the interview and final demo, is you have to attend the product specific training. So this will be via Zoom. The Zoom link meeting will be sent to you on your Skype account. Okay, so make sure you attend that. This is going to be a 2 to 3 hour session. I do have my actual product specific training on this one. I'll upload it within this week if I still have time. And then after the training, there will be a pre-job training quiz. So I do have an actual video when I took the quiz, and in that video, I also give the answer keys. So you can check it out under the description of this video, the link of that video. Now, once you pass the PST and you pass the training quiz, next is you have to install the Acadsoc tutor client. So I do have the link under the description of this video with regards to the link or the download link of the tutor client and also ClassIn. By the way, in Acadsoc, we have 3 teaching tools. We have the A Classroom, ClassIn, and the other one is still on process. They call it this one, so you have an idea. I'll show it to you. The LCIC, this will be the 3rd teaching tool, okay, for Acadsoc. All right, and after you install Acadsoc tutor client, so this is what Acadsoc tutor client looks like. This is the Acadsoc tutor client. This is the ClassIn, okay? So when you log into your tutor client, this is what will it look like. Now for the logins, it will be given to you after you pass the interview and the demo. It's gonna be your HR who will give it to you, okay? Your username and default password, and later on you have to change the default password. Now once you're able to log into your tutor client, right here, you have to complete the personal data information as soon as possible, okay? So you can start teaching, because just yesterday I'm done with the PST and now I am done updating the information. So how to update your data information? So when you're logged into your tutor client, just hover your mouse on the upper right side on your screen, then you just hover your mouse on your tutor name, and then you scroll down a little bit, you will see your personal data tab. Just once click on it. All right, there it is. First tab is your personal information, so you just have to enter your basic information, your name, last name, blah blah blah, etc. And what is most important here is the ID card. Okay, make sure you upload your ID, government valid ID card, like TIN number, uh, national ID number, or your PRC or Pag-ibig or SSS for your secondary. So the ID card, secondary ID card, should be government issued ID. Handheld ID, so you just need to, take a selfie of yourself while holding your valid ID. And then once you're done, next is the most important part here, because this is where your students will check your self-introduction. So make sure your self-introduction is very catchy, very convincing. So like, for example, this one: hello everyone, it is with great humility and pride. So something like that, that you introduce yourself, if you have experience in English, and then you share about your hobbies. And I encourage you guys, if you're not 100% confident with your grammar, I encourage you to install Grammarly, okay? Grammarly, because this will auto-generate or autocorrect if there is some kind of grammar, lapses with your sentence. So I do have a complete template of this introduction. Uh, the actual video of my actual introduction is under the description of this video as well, so you can also copy and paste my introduction. So it's up to you, or you can make your own. Once you're done, just click submit, okay, and then it will load up. It says 20%, 90%, 100%, and complete. All right. And then next tab is the education experience. Okay, education experience is very, very important. So you should put here your degree. Okay, if you're a bachelor's degree, like that, master's degree, college students. So again, guys, if you're just a college student, so long as you have a proof of grade, you can start working or you can apply here at Acadsoc. Then your education, your school. Very important, guys, education certificate because Acadsoc students will look at this area if you have certificate. Okay, so if you have certificate like I do have a TESOL certificate. You have an edge. Okay, you have an edge. It's an advantage as an ESL teacher because 100% possibility the student will book your class. Okay, so very, very important. Now, for those who don't have TESOL certificate yet, I believe Acadsoc offers TESOL certificate. So you just need to, finish the course. I'll give you an update with regards with that because I'll be taking an Acadsoc TESOL certification as well, aside from the one that I have. And then there you go. Their certificate. I uploaded my TESOL certificate here. If you have a certificate, any certificates related to education or teaching will do teachers. Okay, it's very important. Degree certificate. This will be your diploma. Graduation certificate. I just uploaded my diploma as well. But if you have a graduation certificate specifically, you can upload it here. And once you're done, just click submit. Next is your work experience. So right here, I've been in the BPO for 7 years. All right. Work experience or resume. Okay, so you can upload this. Very pretty much basic. Attachment. This is what I'm talking about. Again, for the intro, so you won't be stressed, you can just follow my script. Okay, you can check the video under the description or the link of my actual introduction, ESL introduction video under the description of this video. The link, okay? Then you can just uh, convert it to MP3. Okay, so you can just go to Google, search video to MP3. All right, and then your video. This is the video wherein you are facing in front of your camera, and there you are, stating your Acadsoc introduction. Professional ID. If you have, as for me as I'm a licensed teacher, I uploaded my PRC ID. Headshot. This is just basically your passport ID. Okay, pretty much. Live photos. These are photos, random photos wherein it shows happiness. Like if you have a selfie wherein you smile, you're reading, you're playing guitar, anything. So you just need to click upload and then select 2 to 6 photos. Okay, you have to upload 2 to 6 photos at once. Once you're done, just click upload. And last but not the least, the tutor equipment. Okay, pretty much self-explanatory. That's pretty much it. Okay, and once you're done, you're complete. So after you complete the personal data information, you have to took a screenshot. Okay, so you go back and you took a screenshot of it. Okay, like this one, education experience. There, you took a screenshot, work experience. All right, and attachment information. So after that, you go to your Skype and then send it to your product trainer. Okay. So in my case, my product trainer yesterday was Rock, so she's the only product trainer that you'll have. So that's all, guys. So and then after that, I'll upload an update. What are the other things? But the other things are pretty much easy. These are the very important steps you have to complete so you can start teaching in Acadsoc. Okay. The rest pretty much easy. So you just need to finish the TESOL course so you can start teaching while you're on the process of completing the Acadsoc TESOL course. All right. Now, if you have questions, teachers, do not hesitate to leave comments down in this video so I can help you, okay, with your journey. And again, for those who don't have teaching experience yet in ESL, you can watch my videos. It'll give you an idea, tips, and how to start, and be have the chance to work at home or have the chance to work while you're at home while taking care of your kids or being with your family because it's a great opportunity. It's a great blessing. Um, Others are wishing to have that kind of job, being able to work at home and earn money while at home. Just simply teaching English to Chinese students. So pretty much easy. So again, you just have to be patient and then watch tutorial videos. Watch all my tutorial videos, all my actual video lessons in in other ESL companies. You'll get there. And by the way, I do have I'm actually working with Rare Job, 51 Talk, and now Acadsoc. So 3 ESL companies, guys. Again, it's not. I mean, it's actually allowed, but you don't have to disclose it, okay, to each company. So if they ask you if you're teaching with another ESL company, you have to say no, okay. But then again, since all the prices hikes, uh, and you have a family to feed on, you're the breadwinner of your family. You need to have like 3 jobs if possible. The secret there is just time management. So during morning, I work with Rare Job, then afternoon, 51 Talk, then at night, Acadsoc. Okay, so Monday to Saturday, Sunday, that's my rest day. So it's just about time management, guys. Okay, so do not hesitate. You can apply with other ESL companies like Rare Job and 51 Talk. In terms of salary, I will not disclose it, but just to give you a glimpse of an idea, Rare Job pretty much offers a much higher hourly rate. So if you're interested to apply in Rare Job, make sure to watch my Rare Job videos. Okay. So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps you guys. Happy teaching and keep fighting for your family. Bye bye.